FirstStepReading.com.
Hi, this is Heather from FirstStepReading.com. I've gotten a lot of questions about the different products we offer. So the original product is these 3 readers. They're over 250 pages. It starts with short vowels, long vowels and blends, and consonant and sound exceptions. They come with DVDs to teach the kids how to do these concepts. Now, in addition to these, if you live in a different country, not the United States, it may be cheaper for you to buy it on Amazon. We have an Amazon version of the 3 books. It's the same exact thing, it's just all put in one book. So you could buy it on Amazon, and Amazon offers often free shipping. So if you live in Canada, the UK, Italy, France, Japan, or one of these other countries, it's on Amazon, and then you can have it shipped to your house without having to pay shipping fees of getting it shipped from the US. Because in Amazon, they print it in that country and then ship it from that country. So this is the same as these. Okay? It's called First Step Reading, Beginning Readers, Books 1, 2, and 3. It is the same as these books. In addition to that, we have a workbook that goes along with the reader. So this goes over all the same concepts. It helps with letter identification, uppercase and lowercase letters, letter sounds, goes through all the different letter identification with the letter sounds. It even has writing letters with the letter sounds. It has flashcards, so you can cut them out with the letter sounds. It has all the sight words to practice the sight words. It has sight word flashcards too. It's all the same sight words from the books, so these go together. Then it has short vowels, spelling, reading. So it has all the short vowel word families, different activities, identifying vowels, long vowels, irregular sounds from book 3. It's all the same lessons that are in the 3 books, but in a workbook so that they can do the activities to help them learn. So this is available on Amazon, and that is another product that you can buy to help your child learn to read. It's called Learn to Read Workbook. Okay? Once your child is successful in books 1 through 3, they can try these beginning chapter books. Dill the Dragon is the lowest level, so this one's like grade 1. It's big, so you could read it along with them. Okay, and then these ones are also grade 1, but these are a little harder than Dill the Dragon, and they're grade 1 chapter books. So we have Joe the Detective, the Unicorn Explorers, and Hailey the Fairy. These are beginning chapter books, grade 1 chapter books. Okay. In addition, we also have a writing workbook. So this writing workbook teaches writing. So it goes over what to look for you, like what would be the standards you should expect for kindergarten. Are they spelling? Do the words have vowels? Are they trying to use vowels? Does it start with a consonant? Does it end with a consonant? Are they trying to spell the words? Are they on topic? Do they start with a capital letter? Do they end with a punctuation? Are they using a finger space between words? That's what you should be looking for. And then all different writing prompts for them to do. Opinion writing, would you rather, Persuasive writing, trying to persuade someone something. Report writing, tells them information, and then make sure they understood the information, right? And has them write about what they learned. Description writing. Sequence writing, first then next. All different prompts. Narrative writing, which is stories. Parts of a story, the problem, the characters, the setting. And they get to write a little bit of a story at the end. So this is kindergarten writing workbook. Then we have kindergarten math workbook, which goes over number sense, 10 frames, addition, subtraction, graphing, probability, shapes, skip counting, patterns, comparing numbers, ordering numbers, number lines, measuring, and tally marks. And then we also have a math workbook that's grade 1 level. It has a lot of the same concepts, but it goes a little further. So it also has the 10 frames, number sense, but it goes over a little more, like what's an even number, what's an odd number. It teaches double digit addition, not just single, right? Subtraction, also has the number line, comparing bigger numbers, 2D shapes, 3D shapes, but goes a little further, vertex, faces, edges. Time, and introduces time, how to tell time, and graphing, all different types, pictographs even, and measurement. So that would be the grade 1 math, and this is the kindergarten math. So those are two options. And then we have a kindergarten grade 1 science workbook. It could be for kindergarten or grade 1. It goes over all different concepts, hands-on. There's all different hands-on activities for them on 5 senses, leaves, sound, magnets, sink or float, plants, farms, weather, metamorphosis, volcanoes, and dinosaurs. There's like little information reader for them to read at their level to give them information. And then activities. Color the leaf you found. How many paper clips tall is your leaf? Try drawing your leaf. Would you categorize your leaf as large, medium, or small? Do a leaf rubbing. Very hands-on experiments with materials you probably have at home. And worksheets to go over all these different lessons. So that is the science book you can purchase. So to recap, we have the traditional readers, or if you don't live in the US, you can purchase them on Amazon. Same thing, learn to read readers, either on Amazon if you don't live in the US, or you can purchase it through us if you do. We have, this one's the reader. And then we have the Learn to Read workbook that goes along with the reader with all the concepts from the 3 books put into worksheets. And we have Learning to Write. We have Math, kindergarten or grade 1, and we have Science, and we have grade 1 level chapter books. So those are the products that you see on the website, and I hope that helps you understand what there is. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Heather at FirstStepReading.com. Bye. Bye.
FirstStepReading.com.